Hi guys, if you guys are new to our channel then don't forget to subscribe, like and share our video. This will help us to bring more innovative content like this. Friends, in this video we are going to unbox Micromax in Note 1. I have 4GB RAM 128GB internal storage variant. This is the box of Note 1. On the front side of the box, they have mentioned Note 1 and they have given the storage variant, that is 128GB, and below that they have given the in logo, and they have also given like in by Micromax. There is nothing on the left and right side of the box. Now let's check the back side of the box. On the rear side, Micromax has mentioned the specification of in Note 1. The in Note 1 has MediaTek Helio G85 processor. It is a mid-segment gaming processor and it is a high-performance processor. Then, coming to the display, it is mentioned that it has Full HD Plus Infinity display and it has punch hole. Then talking about the camera, it has 48 plus 5 plus 2 megapixel AI quad cameras and it has 5000 mAh battery and it has 18 watts fast charger. And just below the specification, Micromax has mentioned that this phone runs on pure Android, that is, it runs on stock Android 10. Micromax has also confirmed that they are going to provide updates for 2 years. And just below that, they have mentioned that we are in for India. How about you? I like this concept that they have mentioned. The 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage variant is available on Flipkart for Rs 10,999 and 128GB 4GB RAM variant is available for 12,499 on Flipkart. I will leave the purchase link in the description below. Now let's unbox. It is really difficult to remove this box. It is really tight. Here we go. Keep this top box aside. So guys, this is a Micromax in Note 1. I'll keep it aside. Now let's see what is there else in the box. They have given the user guide of Micromax in Note 1, and it also has warranty statement and other information. The box also has this rare cover. The quality of this rare cover is really good. Now let's have a look at the charger. The quality of the charger is good. I will not say it is best, but for this price it is really good. It is 18 watts power brick and it supports USB Type-C to micro USB. The quality of this USB cord is also good. On the charger also, they have the in logo. Let's keep this charger aside. There is nothing else in the box. I will now remove this plastic layering from the Micromax in Note 1. Guys, the phone looks stunning. Let's power it on. As you guys can see, on the boot it shows the in logo and it also shows powered by Android. Friends, we have 6.6 inch Full HD Plus display on this phone and we have a punch hole display in the center for the front camera. As you guys can see, it has stock Android. It doesn't have any bloatware. Now let's go to settings and see. Micromax has done small amount of customization. As you guys can see, there is an app called DuraSpeed to boost the speed of the phone. Now let's go to about phone and see on which Android version it is running. As you guys can see, it is running on Android 10. Guys, this is pure Android 10. The display quality is really good. And it is a really bright display. From my side, it is thumbs up for the display quality and the brightness. Now let's open the camera. As you guys can see, it has all the normal features in the camera which you get in other phones, that is night mode, HDR, video, photo, normal mode, pro mode, and they have given under more they have given GIF, filters, beauty mode, panorama mode. To my surprise, they have also given slow motion video and time lapse video settings. It has a inbuilt scanner also. You can also take macro shots using this setting over here. Now let's go to the settings of the phone and let's see the video resolution. You can record up to 1080 full HD videos. And the camera, you get also tons of features. There is an anti-flicker option. You can also have a touch shooting mode. By clicking this option, you can take photographs. Like, I'll show you an example. Guys, from my point, it is a really good camera. The primary camera on the rear side of the phone is 48 megapixel and you also get 5 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel sensors. It also has AI for image processing. As far as front camera is concerned, we have 16 megapixel front shooter camera. Guys, you can play any kind of game and do multitasking on this phone as it is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 high performance gaming processor. In terms of weight, it is slightly on the heavier side as compared to the other phones. It is because it has 5000 mAh battery. So guys, this was the unboxing of this phone in Note 1. So if you guys ask me what I liked in this first impression, then I will say I liked the display quality because it is full HD plus display and it has 1080 pixel resolution and it has a punch hole display in the center. Next, we get a good stock Android experience on this phone. There is no bloatware on this phone. Hence, you get good and fast user experience while using and multitasking. The other thing that I liked about this phone is that it has a USB Type-C connector. It is one of those rare phones which offer USB Type-C in the less than 13,000 price bracket. So guys, this was all in this video. Let us know your queries and your thoughts about this Micromax in Note 1. I will make sure that I will answer your queries and your questions. Before winding up this video, friends, please subscribe our channel and like the video because it will help us to bring more content like this and it will help us to stay motivated